Okay, today's topic is about hair fall. Why hair fall happens, what is the reason for hair fall, how you can consider that okay, I'm really kind of suffering with the hair loss, or I should go with the treatment, or I should go with the home remedies, or I should change my oil, or I should change the pattern of living, or I should change my lifestyle. What is the thing which is really troubling to me? So these are all the questions because hair fall is very vast. We cannot say that it is happening only because of this. Okay, we can only say that these are the thousands of reasons where that you point out your reason like that. So today I'm going to kind of cover about 5 to 6 reasons which is very common and which is very more nowadays. So I'll be covering that in today's video. Myself, Dr. Mega from Homeopathic Clinic. Please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to press on the bell icon so that whenever I put a new video you will be notified. Okay, without any delay, let's go for the hair fall. First, what we will know is hair fall. What is hair fall? Losing of hair. That is very simple. Of course, everyone will be, of course, doctor, we know that what is hair fall is losing of hair. No, I'm not talking about that. Losing of hair is common. Losing of hair daily, morning, afternoon, evening, it's common. But how much hair do you lose? That is uncommon. If you're losing, means your hair fall is like 5 to 10 strands from the day 1 to the day now. It's okay. But last month you was having only 15 to 20 hair strands which is falling away, but now at present your hair is falling like in a bunches. Even when you take bath you have a bunch of hair fall, when you comb you have a bunch of hair fall, whenever you put your hand on your head you get an hair on your hand. That is the problem. Okay, you are facing only hair fall when you're combing, or it's normal from the day 1 to day today, it's okay. But it is irregular, means last month it was not there, suddenly it has been happening, then you have an hair fall. You should go for some change in your life. Which hair fall needs medical treatment, which hair falls need diet treatment, which hair falls needs lifestyle changes, which hair fall needs some advices which can be changed, or which hair fall needs what all things. We'll talk about it. First we will be talking about when you should go for medical treatment. Okay, we have this, we call hair fall as alopecia. Okay, there's male pattern alopecia also, means the side of male means the temples, we call it as, they lose the hair over there. Okay, that time it is been increasing, means the front line is still there, but this both lines are going very inside and they are having little bit hair loss in the back, means front of the back occiput region. Then if that person is knowing that okay, there I'm not having the density, or I'm having very less hair over there and my line is going away and there is no new growth on there also, the baldness you can see the skin, so that time you should go for medical treatment. Another one is that patchy hair loss, means there is a circular hair loss. Okay, that time also you should go because there is infection, there is fungal infection. And next one is there is dandruff related, means there is so much of dandruff with itching and there is hair fall, then you should also go for medical treatment because there is an infection which is related to the hair fall. Next one is there is very dryness and very itchy over on your scalp, then also you should go for medical treatment because there is an inflammation of the scalp. Because of that there is some infection, because of that inflammation has happened, you should treat that inflammation. If not, your hair roots get affected, your follicles are very weak, and because of that you're using your hair like that. Next one is you're having very thin hair, very brittle hair, and you're facing with so much of split ends and very thin hair, and you feel like everywhere the hair is there but the volume is not there, but hair is falling very often. You cannot control it at all. That time also you can go for medical treatment, because it is because of some iron deficiency or magnesium deficiency or calcium deficiency or B complex deficiency or B12 deficiency or vitamin D deficiency. You should just look out on that, okay? And some are there, like hair fall is also associated with like thyroid symptoms. If you had hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism, there is a hair fall. It happens very big form of hair fall will be happening. During PCOD changes also it happens. During diabetes mellitus also it happens. There are so much of diseases which is related with the hair fall, so you should first rule out what is the thing. Next one is stress related hair fall. What is stress related hair fall? When the person is so much stressed and they are not getting enough of sleep and they are very stressed, they does not know what to do. Because of that, cortisol increase. Means cortisol is an hormone which is a stress hormone. When you increase that cortisol hormone, there will be so much of changes appear in the thyroid gland. Because of that, the hair fall increases, okay? Because when you are stressed, you're not eating properly, you're not sleeping properly, you're always anxious, your body is always getting eaten up. Because of that, everything is being disturbed, okay? What you can do for this stress relief? First is, why you're getting stressed? Because even it's so much of tension moment, some people does not suffer with stress. Of course, as a doctors, we also advise that don't get stressed, but we are the ones who get stressed so much, right? So controlling stress is not an easy topic, but when you fix your mind, when you decide that no, I will do it because of myself, I should save myself, I should cure myself, I should be there for myself. If you change from inside you, if you start valuing yourself, you will do it. So first thing is control your stress, regulate your sleep cycle, then you should go for your diet. When you are stressed, you always feel like, okay, means you does not have the mood to eat anything. Because of that, you just go eat some junk food, you just go eat something and you come and sleep because you're tired, fatigue, because of the stress. And there's no physical activities, there is only mental stress, and the food is not digested properly like this. But when you are okay with yourself, when your mental strength is okay, you know that what your body wants. Means I should eat healthy, I should keep myself like this, I should be disciplined, I should make a walk like this, I should sleep this many hours, everything will be fixed. So don't be stressed. Because of that, you also gain your weight, okay? When you gain weight, it is because of some hormonal imbalance which is related to stress. The body production, whatever, means the iron production, magnesium, zinc, everything is been in deficiency. So what does body does is it takes from our hairs, from our nails, from our bones, and it gives to the blood, because that is very necessity. During that time, this all symptoms is shown outside to show that I am deficient like that. But if you does not take the chances, or if you does not know, or if you neglect it, then you're at risk, okay? This will be the things you should always think about, or you should always look forward for. And another things is, some people will be having low blood or low hemoglobin, which is called anemia. During that time, if they take iron rich food, means they are having only, means the hair fall is been increased but is not as unusual, and they are not having any PCOD, thyroid related, or stress related, or sleep disturbance like that. Only their diet is not included with nutrition things. Then they should increase nutrition things in their diet, like 3 colors in my plate, like green leafy vegetables, or orange means carrot, beans, like that. Or even the dals, you can consider that color also, green, yellow, white, like that. Okay, white also comes with curd, probiotics. It is very important to maintain the gut health if your hair follicles has been shedding down. So maintain your gut health also. And by correcting the lifestyle, like you should be sleeping 8 hours a day, you should be drinking 2 liters of water, because hydration is the main point in the body. And then you should eat healthy diet, you should exercise, you should not stress, you should meditate, you should eat properly, live a happy life, and always love yourself, because loving yourself is very important. When you stop loving yourself, all these diseases come towards you. Okay, then have a good life, fantastic life, and an happy moment. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. Please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to press on the bell icon.